Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you what a variable is and how you can use them in PowerShell. So in short, a variable is a unit of memory in which you define and values are stored in. So you can store all types of information into a variable. You can store commands, you can store strings of text and settings and values and whatnot. So to get started here as an example, to declare a value of, or to declare a variable, in this case, you start with a $sign and then any type of numbers or letters or words after that with no spaces is how you define and declare a variable. Then after that, you use the equal sign and then give it whatever you want to store in this unit of memory. In this example here, we are using the command ping, and we're going to ping google.com. So if we run this, what this is going to do is it's going to execute the command, and the next line below it is us actually executing it. So the first line, we are defining what it is. The second line is us actually doing it. And so you can see it actually ran the ping command. The next what I'm going to show you is exact same thing. I just called the variable something else. So in this case, I just called the variable letter A. In this case, this next test, variable B, exact same thing. But the difference here is we've got it with quotes. What the quotes do is instead of it treating it like a command, it treats it as just a string of text. So you can store input text into a particular variable for whatever reason. The next thing to show you is another example of a command. Dir is a command built into Windows. We gave it the C variable, and that shows you the contents of the directory it ran in. And the last thing to show you is a variable number 1 is storing the command type, which is a command to display the contents of a text file. And in this case, the contents of one.txt includes this particular sentence. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ways and things you can use to leverage variables. You can start nesting variables inside variables, and then you can call multiple variables within complex commands and iterations and stuff. So this is a basic example of how to get started using variables. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, please subscribe to our channel to see more how-to videos. Thank you for watching.